Hi friends, today we're going to see how to install a MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server. Actually, MySQL Workbench is a GUI-based tool just to interact with the MySQL. So, with the help of installing MySQL Workbench, your overhead of creating a tables and this gets reduced by 50% because in a MySQL Workbench through a GUI you can create a table giving the dimensions and attributes and range dynamically. You don't just need to write for that in a syntax form. So basically, it reduces your overhead. So we'll see how to install a MySQL Workbench. You have to just type download MySQL. Sorry, Workbench. You have to just click on this, and then you have to go to here, and you have to just click on download. This package is of small size. This is not the actual size. Once you download this, this is the start package. Once you start installing it, it will download those packages on a fly by installing, and then it will start. It will download those packages, MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server, and then it will install. So it is just a start package. You just click on download. Actually, this package is already installed. My system will just go to here, and we'll just click on this right click, and we will click install. It will be installing. Then in my case, the update panel has been not shown. It usually asks for the update. In your case, it will show. You just click on update. In my case, it has not shown because I'm installing it for the second, third time. So there are different options: default, developer options, server only, client only, full and custom. In a full option, there is a you'll get all the packages if you select on this. So everything will be installed. A lot of things. If you don't need, you just don't go for this. If you don't want these things like a connector to related to Python or this lot of things. So if you don't interested a lot of bunch of software, you just click on the custom. You only need selected list of packages, and then you just click on here MySQL. MySQL. You just click on the latest server. Just go here. Then just click on this master workbench. Yeah, just go here and just click on this next. After clicking next, it will start download. This is ready to download. So now this will download from the internet. Once it get downloaded, it will be ready to execute. When you just click on execute, it will start downloading the packages from the internet, and it will be downloading. Once downloading will happen, then I will continue with executing. So you can see these packages has been installed MySQL Server and Workbench has been installed. Just you can click on this full details, so you will come to know it has been installed through the CDN links, and it has been downloaded. No, sorry, actually it has been downloaded. Now we'll click on the next. It will start executing and it will start configuring and installing. So you will click on next. Then again we will click on next. Then click on next. We'll set the we'll set the root username and password. This password will be helpful for connecting to the MySQL server using a MySQL Workbench. So when you're launching a MySQL Workbench, so you need to provide this password just to connect to the MySQL server. So I'm just saying root. You can give any name. I'm just giving root name and then password. Give my password, and then yeah, just give me a second. Actually, both are passwords. I was putting a username. So just specify your password. The username will be always a root. So you just password. Both should be a root password and user password will be same, and then just click on next, and then again click on next. Now it will be installing all the necessary things. You just click on next. Next. So it will be configuring your MySQL server setup, and maybe it will take some time. Just wait for some time. Yeah, now everything has been configured. Just click on finish. You just click on next, click on finish. So now your MySQL Workbench setup has been completed. So these are the connections and the previous one. So it had just restored from there. When you provide a password for that, it will be get added. So you just click on where to provide your password to here, and you just click on OK. So MySQL panel will be launched. So these are how UI, and there are a lot of what I was saying to you. These are like you can directly create a database instead of writing the things. So there is a lot of ways. So you just don't need to write this thing. So and also just to create a table, you just go to this. I am not going to give you the exact how it is working. You come to know everything. It is smooth, and you don't need to write the query for creating a table. You just have to specify the field name and its and attribute. It will be get created. It's reduced a lot of overhead. We'll check whether the commands or queries are working or not. So databases, so it will show all the list of databases which is there currently. So it will show all this, and we'll try to create our database. So this is like query. Just to create database name like college. So you just specify and just be created. So this is the panel, output panel, which shows whether the query has been executed or not. If it is a green symbol, so it has been executed successfully. If it is red, it doesn't get executed. Suppose in this case, suppose I just write this view show data basis. Suppose I put double effect, then it will show me the error. Okay, the error in the syntax. So you have to just write the databases, and you can just go. Okay, so it is showing the database has been created. So this is how MySQL Workbench, and this is the video for the MySQL Workbench and MySQL Server. Now you can go with your table creation, database creation, everything else, and this is how. Please let me know if you have any doubt, and please inform if you want further more videos on this MySQL Workbench and further like queries, joining, and orange approach. These things you want in next video, so I'll make those videos. Thank you.